guys, welcome back to my channel. It is June 15th and I'm starting off this vlog with a little bit of an unboxing. I have a few packages here. This first one is from Finesse Studios, just Finesse on Instagram, I believe. They have sent me a few items before, and then this is the first package of a few more separate ones. This one only has, I think, 2 items in it. Yes, okay. So this first one, I think I'm gonna do an entire Finesse try on once I get everything, but just a really cute white tube top. I love tube tops, bandeau tops, whatever you wanna call it. Just very simple. Then these are the leather pants. I do not have a pair of leather pants, so I was like, you know what? I might as well get them. They seem like pretty good quality as well. I got these in an XL because I just never know if they're gonna be stretchy or just like pinned straight. So I'm excited to try those. Okay, next up, I have not tried this company before, but I reached out to them on Instagram. Sasha Therese maybe? I think it's Therese. But they have some really nice items, like high quality items. So I was really happy when they said they would like to send me some. Okay, so this, I feel like this one is what they're known for, which is just this gorgeous detail. Look at this top. So it has a pearl neckline. So this is the, like almost like a halter top, pearl collar, you could say. And then the back of it is also open, and then it has like not even like a strap in the back, but just some like a gorgeous pearl detail. I'm really excited to wear that. And then I believe they sent me the matching like skirt, or yes, matching mini skirt. This is so cute, very cute, and also has the pearl detail here. It's just wrapped up as well. This one in a large. Then you guys know I love crochet, anything crochet. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh. And just a stunning sage green, a bit more on like the minty side, but just very gorgeous. This just screams summer to me, and this really cute cutout flower detail. Cannot wait to try all of these on. Chip, these are not strings for you. Hank is about to jump on Chip here. Hank, go on, go on. And then lastly, I have a surprise package from Drunk Elephant. They every so often send me some items, which is so very nice. Hey, let's see. It might just be my like favorites that I've told them. I'm trying to open this aesthetically, but it's not working. Oh, you see one of my favorites, cute. Okay, I love how colorful their packaging always is. Okay, I'm just gonna pull everything. Oh, so cute. They always have such fun items. I always like to send a little bit something besides skincare. Look at how cute. Brian. Little bucket hat. How cute is this? So colorful. Okay, this is perfect for me. Sunscreen. Mineral sunscreen. It's like they read my mind or something.
Sunscreen?
Yes.
Sunscreen?
Yes, very good. Mineral sunscreen. They have this normal sunscreen, which they have sent me before, I think last summer. Just a normal mineral sunscreen, which was amazing. I use it all the time. Thank you. And then I love this. I desperately need this too. A tinted sunscreen. Thank you. So like I want to wear sunscreen a lot, and I do, but I don't like to wear it when I'm gonna wear makeup either. Or I just want like a little bit extra color, because sometimes sunscreen can just give you like that white cast. But this time I have tinted sunscreen. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Drunk Elephant. Well, it's hard not to look fat from a disgusting angle like this. And I'm also, of course, wearing the new Drunk Elephant hat. Vanessa pointed out that is reversible. So this is one side and this is the other. I kind of like this
side better.
Well, see, and of course, we're the opposite. I like this side better. I'm also going to be testing this out for the first time. That's why they also sent me a lighter one. Can you tell?
It's definitely really dark.
Okay, now Brian and I are taking a walk after a long day at the beach. And do you guys see that? There's 2 bald eagles up there. They're lovers, and they had a lover's quarrel for a while. This is like the first week they've been back together after like 3 weeks. Hank wants to run with Brian, but he can't. Oh. Watch out! Okay, I also just got some more packages from Finesse. I want to do an entire try-on. Pretty sure you can use HANNAHGARSKE 10 off to save money. Okay, I got a lot of stuff too, and I also got a package prior to this with 2 items in it. I'll show you guys a few things, and then obviously look out for the try-on. This has been like all over, and I've seen so many dupes of it. It is essentially just a halter top, lace, and then the bits, the important bits are covered. I did not know it was an open back, so wow, this is going to be extra tiny. It's very cute. I love this color. Oh, I'm also very excited for these. I hate wearing shorts, but I want to start wearing more shorts, like cute shorts. So I was able to get these pinstripe shorts. I want to say I got them, yes, I got them in an XL because I want them to be a little bit oversized. I always say they're going to be oversized, but they fit just right. So one more thing I could show you guys. This, I already forget what it is. Cutesy pink linen striped pants, insanely see-through, but these are very cute nonetheless. I could just wear like a little white spandex underneath, just a full coverage ugly. It's really cute. Pinstripes are apparently back. But yeah, okay, look out for the actual try-on, the Finesse clothing try-on. Okay, also just got this in the mail. I'm so excited for this. From Milk Makeup. Welcome to the Milk fam. Ooh, very exciting. Oh my gosh, I have literally so many amazing things about this Hydro Grip Primer. We have the Hydro Grip Primer, the setting spray, I believe, the lip and cheek combo, and the Kush mascara. Oh my gosh, you guys. So excited. Thank you, Milk. Hi guys, it's officially June 20th. I'm back to filming for this vlog. Just been away for a little bit. I haven't had much go on in my life. Just realized it's raining outside. That's great. Like I said, I just haven't been filming for a while. For a few days, that is, not like terribly. But it's been raining the entire week. It's Thursday. It's been raining since it's Monday. Hello, the entire week. But then it's supposed to also rain Friday and Saturday. So it's just been super gloomy. We've had maybe an hour or 2 of sun this entire week. It's draining. And I have this dress here with me because Sasha Therese sent me some really gorgeous items and I wanted to film a little reel in it. And that's why I said, wow, of course it's raining again, because I wanted to film it outside. I'm just so frustrated. I have no motivation right now, but I just want to get this over with so I can tell myself I did something today, something productive. Okay, here's the dress. It fits like a glove. I'm wearing undies, obviously, and then I have little pasties covering up the rest of my bits, but it fits very nicely. It's very flattering. This is the back. It's just a very simple open back. I honestly could tighten it a little bit more here. I am a little nervous about that though, because these pieces just holding the string together are quite thin and tiny. So I just feel like it could rip quite easily, but this is very flattering. Maybe it's just kind of misting outside right now and I have time to get a really quick reel, so we'll see. I'm getting myself out of the house so I'm not just sad and depressed inside. I want to go for a walk outside. Like I said, it's just kind of misting out and I wasn't able to get a good angle clip of the dress, so we'll try later. Yeah, I don't even know what to say anymore. I think I'm just gonna take a walk outside if it starts raining. I brought some socks and my shoes and I can just go to the gym if I want to, so. Okay, I feel like that walk actually helped me, and the sun, it was listening to me. It came out for 2 minutes, but it was so nice. And I was like, you know what? I am really craving nautical bowl. I have been so good at not spending money and just saving my money. So I just picked it up, and I think they gave me 2 bowls for 1 accidentally. And you know what? Maybe I'm a terrible person now, but it was a to-go order and it was in my bag already, and I just walked out and then I saw in my car, I'm like, this seems really heavy, and then I looked in there and there's 2 bowls. So, you know what? I'm gonna take this as a sign that I just need to have a better day, and that definitely helped me. Happy June 22nd. It is like pouring outside right now, but my sister and I have plans to go to this like DJ in Minneapolis, like an outdoor DJ. It started at 2, but again, like it's pouring. So I'm assuming they're like gonna hold off, but it's from 2 to 10 tonight. So it's 3 o'clock already, just about. And we're gonna leave at around like 5. So I'm just slowly starting to get ready. Just gonna dry my hair here. I washed it early this morning and it's like 80% dry. It's just still a little wet. Ew. Looking in the camera, my roots in the bottom are so bad. Okay, I've never tried this, but Kristen S sent this to me. It's their workable hairspray. Brushable texture, heat protecting. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna try it. I never really hairspray my hair either when I like do it, but oh, I like that. It's like a weird. Sometimes hairspray can feel like wet when it comes out. Weird. It feels like immediately dry. On to the next side. Right, get ready with me to go out. My sister and I are going to this little, I don't know, DJ thing, the North Loop. And if you can't tell, I want to do something like really beachy, bronzy. So I already waved my hair. I'm also not sure if I want to wear this top, but it's from Finesse. I feel like the blue kind of washes me out a little bit. For my bronze looks, I really like to start with literally just a bronze base. So I've been taking the Drunk Elephant Umbra Tint Mineral Sunscreen, the Sunshine Drops. Ooh. Okay, this is like a lot more than I usually do, but whatever. Don't think I'm gonna do foundation today. I want something bronzy, like I said, but kind of light coverage. But whenever I say light coverage, I end up just doing full coverage, so who knows. This is the part where I always mess up and do my concealer way too light. Just get this new e.l.f. one, medium sand. Sounds like it'd be dark enough. Do you have one from Tarte? I'm just gonna try. It just looks too light anyway. Honestly, that's not that bad. Put it like everywhere else very lightly because I have these red spots. Like I can never do light coverage because I have to cover up my red spots. I forget how much I like this concealer. I think I'm actually like nailing this. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Wet n Wild contour. Smashbox also sent me this liquid blush. It'll be used as a like lip gloss. I think it's like the perfect rosy cheek. It makes me look like sunburnt. And I also like always mess up setting my face by setting it right away with like a really light translucent powder. So I'm gonna try this e.l.f. pressed powder. Wish me luck because I really can't redo my makeup. I'm gonna like press this in first and then I'm gonna go over it with my translucent. Is it too dark? Is it, or did I just like nail this? Is it like too bronze? Like my face matches my chest, but not my neck. I did it again. Like I just lost the bronzy look, but whatever. I wanna look oily. I'm gonna mix a few blushes, but I'm gonna start out with this NARS Orgasm Rush. Christ. It's like darker red. I feel like it'll definitely add to the sunburnt effect. I actually hate it and I don't know what's going on. Like I look so oily right here. Going so good too. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's oily or just like really showing my texture. Oh my god. I'm just gonna try to set it and see if that'll help. I just did like a light cat eye, smoky. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna have to let the oiliness go. Like it's really irritating me, but can't take it off now. So I even checked if this is like still on because it's been raining the whole time I've been getting ready. I also don't know what it is with this mascara, but I absolutely love it. This is just the Tower 28 mascara. Halo Sheer Tint on my lips. I use this Dragon Beauty liner. Okay, today is just not a good makeup day. Fix my hair here. My hair looks pretty decent though, so maybe that'll just make up for it. Cover my face. Hey, wish me luck. Hopefully I actually end up going out and wearing this makeup. Okay, this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing a white bandeau from Finesse, and then these jeans are from Tiger Mist. Like these cargo jeans with, like, I don't know, little zippers on the sides and stuff. I wear these so often, like they just fit so good. I love them. I wanted to wear something a bit more fun for the top. I don't know, and this obviously isn't screaming fun to me, but this is screaming like boring. But hold on, maybe I'll try to find a different top here, but we'll see. I don't know, I had high hopes for this outfit and it's so boring. I'm kind of bummed. And my hair's not working out. My makeup is not good at all. So we started right away at this place called Brick House, I believe. I was totally confused. I thought it was going to be outside, but it was inside. It's probably a good thing. And I did not have dinner, so I got this pizza. It was so good. It was a small, like, I didn't know it was a pan pizza, but oh my god, it was good. Then we walked over to Gray's, which was right across the street, and then I'm just taking pictures of these random people. But we got some margaritas and just sipped on them there. And I'm actually glad we left that first place because we just got to like walk around and do whatever we wanted. And then we ended up at like Smack Shack, I think it was. I've never been, but it was really good. I was the DD, so I just got like a Diet Coke and a water, but they enjoyed their espresso martinis. I had a sip and they're actually so good. And then I tried to get an Instagram reel, and I actually ended up doing it. Like, if you saw my Instagram, you would already have seen this. Like, this was just the process. We were just goofing around, but I don't know why I posted it. It wasn't like the best video ever, but it worked. So anyway, thanks so much for watching today's vlog, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.